Rodrigues and Mandhana light up the game with stellar knocks as India claims a dominant 49-run victory over West Indies. Can this blazing start fuel their unbeaten streak even further? Hi viewers! Welcome back to my channel. MKK, the Daily Pulse. One destination for updates around the world. India's women's cricket team absolutely crushed it in the first T20I against West Indies. Jemimah Rodrigues was on fire, smashing 73 off just 35 balls, and Smriti Mandhana, oh boy, she delivered a solid 54 off 41 balls, marking her 28th T20 and half century. Together they propelled India to a whopping 195 quarters, the highest T20I total against West Indies. On the bowling front, Titus Sadhu grabbed 3 wickets for 37 runs, while Deepti Sharma and Radha Yadav both took 2 wickets each, restricting West Indies to 146 sevens. A massive team effort. For West Indies, Kiana Joseph and Deandra Dottin did their best, scoring 49 and 52 respectively, but it just wasn't enough to outshine the Indian bowlers. Switching gears to the ongoing India versus Australia Test series, Australia was bowled out for 445 in their first innings, with centuries from Travis Head and Steve Smith. Jasprit Bumrah was the star bowler for India, taking 6 wickets. The rain played spoilsport on day 3, and India ended the day at 4 zeros. What a thrilling week for Indian cricket. Can't wait to see how the rest of these matches play out. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. MKK, the Daily Pulse, signing off.